Vivo's sub-brand iQOO has launched a new gaming-focused smartphone under the iQOO 15 lineup in China called the iQOO 15 Ultra. It features an advanced ice dome cooling system with a large 17 by 17 mm fan to effectively manage device temperature. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO 15 Ultra features a tall 6.85-inch 2K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 8,000 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and it includes Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 840 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 16 or 24 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the iQOO 15 Ultra sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX921 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 107-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and it is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,400 mAh battery with 100 watts wired super flash charging support and 40 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16, based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also features a dedicated shoulder triggers for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.65 by 76.8 by 8.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 227 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO 15 Ultra has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black and silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO 15 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.